Hi guys, welcome back. Let me show you how easy it is to make Chinese takeout chicken wings. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start by marinating our chicken. It's already been washed and cleaned. I will be using some all-purpose flour and cornstarch, as well as some salt, chicken bouillon, black pepper, ginger, garlic, and onion powder. I also have some light soy sauce I'll be using here, as well as 1 egg. So I basically added the soy sauce, the egg, and the seasoning to the chicken. Mix that in first, and once it was well combined, I followed up with the flour and the cornstarch. You want to mix it very well and just set it aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Here I've been preheating some oil, and we'll go ahead and fry our chicken wings up. We'll be double frying them. So we'll fry them for about, let's say, 8 minutes or so, and then we will remove them and we will fry them again for about 5 minutes or so. So once you remove the second batch of chicken that's been fried for the first time, that's when you want to add your first batch back into the oil. And you want to double fry it. You're going to fry it for about 5 minutes, then remove that, and then you will add in the second batch that you fried. And you will just continue this process until you're all done. Look how gorgeous that chicken looks. Guys, you will not regret trying this one. It is so delicious. And for those of you who are eating a bit more healthy and you want to try this in your air fryer, I preheated my air fryer to 375 for 20 minutes. And this is how they came out. They were perfect. And yeah, the only thing I would say the difference is, to me, the one in the air fryer was a bit more dry in texture than the deep fried chicken. But this is how they look once they were done in the air fryer. And this is the deep fried chicken that we fried in oil. Let me tell you, it was so flavorful and well seasoned. You guys have to give this recipe a try. Trust me, you will not be going back to that takeout Chinese place ever again. I served mine with a house special fried rice, and it was chef's kiss. Like I said, give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.